Wise gonna come out good. Hang tight, Kerr. Corbin sits in third. Wise gets tangled up. Leclerc. Yeah, looking good. Wise double out of the turn, no problem. Leclerc over that back tabletop curve in second spot, Corbin. Then the other Leclerc, Ben Leclerc. Then it's Caden Wise and the 199. Campbell Searle. Doing a great job right now, sitting in that 5th position. Front right now, there it is. Kerr got the double. Kerr got the double that lap. Let's see if we can make it work for him. Leclerc up front, double. Moto number 1. Kerr didn't do it. He saw it, he needed to do it. He brought it to the table here in Moto number 2. Leclerc in the lead, Kerr in second, Corbin in third. The double is what it could come down to down the fence line. Wyatt Kerr all over the back end of Jake Leclerc, sorry. Oh, yeah, Jake Leclerc. Get the boys messed up here. Jake Leclerc in the lead. The 164 Kerr. Doing a good job. He's going to hang close. He's going on the inside. He's trying to make the pass right now. He doubles. Oh, he backs out of it one time there. That's going to be the pass. Maybe next lap he's trying to set it up. There's no heat right there. Look at that. Just keep the here. Keep some film. Oh, yeah. Look at that new haircut on him, too. Looking good. Leclerc leads Kerr all over him right now. Jake Leclerc doing good on the 811. Wyatt Kerr sitting in that second spot. John Corbin on the 15 right now, sitting all alone in third. Ben Leclerc sitting in that 4th spot, but in his third seat there is Caden Wise. He's going to get back on, but he's going to have to give up the lead. Now let's see what Leclerc's got. Kerr has got the lead. Leclerc wants it back. Down to mistake-free race here at Arenacross. That's how you win at the Sandstorm AX 2016. Kerr goes wide. Leclerc on the inside, side by side over the finish. Look at the action. Oh, and Leclerc gets it back. Jake Leclerc gets the lead back half a lap later. They're side by side. Wyatt's going to run on him in the woods. He's getting inside or he loses big time. Leclerc doubles. Kerr up, big mistake. He's going to lose a couple seconds. 4 or 5 bike lanes right now. Kerr's got to close it back up. Oh, another big mistake by Kerr. Really opening the door. All right. Kerr's mechanic saying reel him back in, reel him back in. Not too long left in this race. The Pro Open in staging. Pro Open in staging. 50cc Open coming up next. Parts swap going on here. Kerr nails a double. Leclerc leads. Corbin still doing a great job sitting in that 3rd position on the 15. Good job for that youngster right there. Ben Leclerc, he missed our first moto unfortunately, but he's out here doing a great job. Sitting in that 4th spot. Caden Wise looking great out here in Arenacross. Look at him go with 813. And Campbell Searle doing a great job on the 179. An interesting GoPro placement for Campbell Searle on that front fender. I kind of think it might give you a bit of a headache watching that thing bounce around up there, but you didn't know. You have to get footage. One more time. Our leaders. Or sorry, John Corbin sitting up there. Our leaders find out. Double second. Nathan Snellgrosso Factory's got 5 mechanics on his bike over here. This is awesome. Everybody helps everybody out here in racing. right. There it is. Kerr got him. I had to run back, get some zip ties. Kerr got the win. What a pass. Great way to finish the Moto. Wyatt Kerr going to grab the win. I mentioned that I was helping ahead on the start line. And Wyatt Kerr sneaks by for the win here in the Super Mini class. Going to take the overall with a 2-win score. Awesome moto out there by those youngsters.